Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Veenus Edutech. In this video, first I will give you the solutions of the additional workout questions I have given you from the topic exact value and approximate value. Then going to the next topic, ages. Definitely there will be one question from the topic ages. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Before going to the topic ages, I will give you the solutions of the approximate value and exact value workout questions. Going to the exact value workout questions, first one 25.6 percentage of 250. So 256 by 1000 in order to remove the decibel into 250 plus root x is equal to 119, and by simplifying we will get here 64, right? And here on the right hand side 119, so 119 minus 64 it is 55, root x is 55, so that x is equal to 55 square, which is equal to 3025. So the option is B. And the second question is 36865 plus 12473 plus 21045 minus 44102. This is the simplest one because here you have to add three numbers and all the three numbers are 5 digits, and then subtract the resultant from 441 and subtract 44102 from the resultant. Okay, so here what you have to do is take the unit place. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 13, remainder 1, so I have written 3 here. Then 6, 10's place, 6 plus 7 13 plus 4 17 plus that remainder 18, again remainder 1. Then 100's place, 8 plus 4 12, then remainder 13, remainder again 1. Then 1000's place, 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9 plus that remainder 10, so write 0 here, again remainder 1. Then last digit, that is unit and 100,000, 10,000's place, that is 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6 plus that remainder 7, so 70383 minus 44102. Here again units place, 3 minus 2 it is 1, 8 minus 0 it is 8, 3 minus 1 it is 2, then 10 minus 4 it is 6, then 6 minus 4 it is 2. So the answer is 26281, option, third option. Third one, 0.4 into 1.5 by 0.2, right? So 1.5 into 4 it is 60. So remove after taking two places according to the decimal, it will be 0.6, and here it is 0.2. 0.6 by 0.2, which is equal to 3. So the option is second one. Fourth question, to find the exact values, 560 by 32 into 720 by 48. On simplifying we will get 35 into 15 by 2, and 35 into 15 it is 525, and divided by 2 is 262.5. So the option is first one, 262.5. Last question from the exact value section, it is 3.2% of 500, that is 32 by 1000. In order to remove the decimal, we multiplied with 10 on this side, right, into 500 into 24 by 1000 into x is equal to 280. On simplifying we will get x is equal to 250 into 3, which is equal to 750, and the option is fourth one. So this is the first workout question of the approximate value section. Here 5003 is approximated to 5005, and 14.96 is written as 15, divided by 25.12 is rounded as 25, plus x is equal to 12 square 144 into 5 square 25, and 144 into 25 using 3-digit multiplication it is 3600, and 1001 into 3 it is 3003. So subtracting we will get the value of x, that is 597, and which is approximated as 600. So the option is A, 600. Going to the second one, 11.95 is rounded as 12, 12 square into 5.05 is rounded as 5, plus 15.01 is rounded as 15, so 15 square into 2.99 is approximated as 3. So 12 square it is 144 into 5, which is 720, plus 15 square it is 225 into 3, which is 675. So adding these two numbers, the answer is 1395, the last option. Third workout question, 31.95 is approximated as 32, and 12.05 is approximated as 12, plus 1987.25 is approximated as 1987, plus 21.85 is rounded as 22, and 32 square it is 1024, 12 square it is 144. Then adding these two, the answer is 2009 by x is equal to 900, implies this 1024 minus 144 it is 880, plus 2009 by x is equal to 900, and 2009 by x is equal to 20, because 900 minus 880 it is 20, implies x is equal to 100.45, which is approximated as 100. So the answer is last option, 100. Next approximation type question, 3 by 5 into 2 by 7 to 5 by 12 into 555. 5 get cancelled and 3 and 12 get cancelled. So 555 by 7 into 2, that is 555 by 14, which is equal to 39.64, which can be approximated as 40. So the option is fourth one, 40. The last workout question from approximation type is 2489.99, which is rounded as 2490, divided by 9.85, which is rounded as 10, plus 54.94 is rounded as 55 by 100. Percentage of 271 is rounded as 270. So that 249 plus 297 by 2, which is 148.5, and by adding this we will get the answer 397.5, which is approximately equal to 400. The last option is the answer. Going to the next topic, ages. Let A and B be the two persons, then let the present age of A be X years and the present age of B be Y years. Then A's age 4 years ago. 4 years ago A's age was X minus 4, because A's present age is X and before 4 years A's age was X minus 4. Then B's age is Y years, present age is Y years, and B's age 6 years hence. Hence means after 6 years. Hence means after. So after 6 years, what will be B's age? Y plus 6, because it is after. Present age of B is Y, and after 6 years it will be Y plus 6. Okay. Now A's present age is 5 times B's present age. That means A's present age, that is X, right? So A's present age X is equal to 5 times B's present age. B's present age is Y. So X is equal to 5Y. Okay. Now A's age 3 years ago was twice B's age 8 years hence. That means A's present age is X, right? So here it is not A, here it is X, and here it is Y. Okay, sorry. So A's present age is X. 3 years ago A's age was X minus 3, right? So A's age 3 years ago, X minus 3 is equal to, was twice B's age 8 years hence. 8 years hence means Y plus 8. B's present age is Y, and after 8 years it will be Y plus 8, and twice that of Y plus 8 is what? A's age 3 years ago. That is X minus 3 is equal to 2 times Y plus 8. Or in short, we can remember these things. That is, before or ago means you have to subtract. Hence or after means you have to add to that number. Before or ago you have to subtract from that number. Hence or after means you have to add to that number. And this times Y, X times Y, A times B, that means times means you have to multiply. Understood? So in the ages topic you have to remember these three things. Now we can go to the questions. The first question is, Amay's present age is 1.5 times of Himanshu's present age. If after 4 years, Amay's age will be twice of Himanshu's age 4 years ago, what is the difference between their present ages? Options: 13 years, 14 years, 12 years, 15 years, and 18 years. So let the age of Amaya's present age of Amaya be A. Okay, so let Amaya's present age is A, and that present age, Amaya's present age is 1.5 times. Time means we have to, times means we have to multiply. So 1.5 times of Himanshu's present age. Let Himanshu's present age be H. So Amaya's present age is 1.5 times of Himanshu's present age. Now if after 4 years Amaya's age, so after 4 years Amaya's age will be A plus 4, because it is after, you have to add. So after 4 years A plus 4. So if after 4 years Amay's age will be twice of Himanshu's age 4 years ago. So Himanshu's age 4 years ago means minus 4, right? So twice of Himanshu's age 4 years ago. Understood? So if after 4 years Amay's age will be twice of Himanshu's age 4 years ago, then what is the difference between their present ages? You have to find the difference between A and H. A minus H is equal to, you have to find out. So we can form the equation, right? So A plus 4 is equal to 2H minus 8. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. And we know the value of A. What is the value of A? 1.5H, right? So 1.5H plus 4 is equal to 2H minus 8, and this 4 will go to this place. So 1.5H minus 2H is equal to minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. This is 0.5H. This is 12. Minus minus get cancelled from both the sides. Then h is equal to, it is 120 by 5, which is nothing but 24. So we got the age of Himanshu. Himanshu's present age we got, it is 24 years, right? Now we have to find A. You know from equation 1, A is equal to 1.5 into h, and h we know 24. So using 2-digit multiplication, we will get the answer of 24 into 15, 20 remainder 2, 10 plus 4, 14, 16, 1, 1, 2, 3. So 360, and removing 1 digit 36. So we get the Ame's percentage, that is 36. And the question is, you have to find the difference between their ages, that is A minus H, which is 36 minus 24, which is 12. So the difference between their ages is 12 years. Option C. Going to the second question, if 6 years are subtracted from the present age of Randhir and the remainder is divided by 18, then the present age of his grandson Anoop is obtained. If Anoop is 2 years younger than Mahesh, whose age is 5 years, then what is the age of Randhir? So it is given that if 6 years are subtracted from the present age of Randhir, so from the present, let the present age of Randhir be R. So if R is subtracted, or 6 years is subtracted from R, that is if 6 years are subtracted from the present age of Randhir, so R minus 6, and the remainder, the resultant answer is then divided by 18, then the present age of his grandson Anoop is obtained. So let the present age of his grandson Anoop be A. Okay, so we got first equation, right? So from this, what we can form, R minus 6 is equal to 18A. Okay, now the second condition, if Anoop is 2 years younger than Mahesh, Anoop is 2 years younger than Mahesh, that means A is equal to M minus 2, and we know the age of Mahesh, it is 5 years, so 5 minus 2, it is 3, so age of Anoop is 3 years, right? And we know R minus 6, the equation R minus 6 is equal to 18 times A, and A we know 18 into 3, which is nothing but 54, right? So R minus 6 is equal to 54, R is equal to 54 plus 6, 60. So the question is, what is the age of Randhir? Randhir's age is 60 years. So the option is fourth option. Okay. Going to the workout questions. First one, A's age 7 years ago was 10 years more than half his present age. The respective ratio between B's age 4 years ago and A's age that time was 2:5. If C's age 12 years hence will be thrice of B's age 2 years ago, then what is C's present age in years? Options 38, 30, 42, 37 and 35. Second workout question, the ratio of the present ages of Rahim and his mother is 2:5 and that of his mother and his father is 5:6 respectively. After 2 years, the ratio of the ages of Rahim to that of his father will be 4:11. What is the present age of Rahim? Options 11 years, 12 years, 13 years, 14 years and 15 years. And the third workout question, 3 years ago, Manini's age at that time was thrice of Renu's age at that time. The respective ratio between Renu's age 6 years hence and Manini's age 8 years hence will be 3:7. What will be Renu's age 2 years hence in years? And the options are 20, 26, 29, 32 and 23. This is an easy topic, right? I will give you the solutions in the next video. If you find my channel useful and informative, do support me by subscribing the channel and sharing it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.